Hey everyone, Evan Greenberg here, your content manager here at WorldVia for another content crash course. Today we are going to be talking about logos. Probably one of the first things you do when you're setting up your business is figure out your branding and what your logo for your business is going to look like. I want to show you a little bit how we do branding and logos here at WorldVia. I'm going to demo a specific resource that we use, how to use it, and the types of things that I have in mind when I'm instructing the people that I commissioned to help us with these logos to make sure I give them the information that I need. Now, of course, in order to do that, I have to have a good understanding of WorldVia, our brand colors, and the message that we're trying to get across. So we'll get into all of that, and I'll give you a demo of that as well. Let's get into it without further ado. To continue this discussion about logos and branding, I'm in a platform that we here at WorldVia use for designs. So I want to go through just what this platform looks like and how you can be specific. You might not use this, you might use it, you might not. But what I'm going to show you is when we type in our different descriptors, some of the things that you can be thinking about when you are designing that logo. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to hit Add Project. It's going to be a design. So right away, title. Let's just call this Evan's Travel Business Logo. Now, please don't call your name just, Tom's Travel Business. Yeah, obviously, hopefully you've decided on a name, but we're just going to go quickly here. Category, again, this is going to be logo and brand. Brand profile. I've set up the WorldVia Travel Network brand profile. Again, a little bit more collegiate level if you want to talk about how setting up your brand profile. So we'll just say for now that I have my brand profile here, and I've got the different source files that I want, and letting them choose for me. Here, this is an important thing we can pause here. Describe your organization, product, and target audience. Now, if you're doing a design on Canva, or if you're on Illustrator, you might not do this, but if you're talking to a friend, think about the ways that you talk about your business to friends and family. Think about the ways that you might want to translate that over when you are talking to a designer. So you could say, my business focuses on cruises and tropical vacations for people ages, and then we'll say X or Y. And then you could say in here also about the type of branding or messaging that you have and how that might align with the type of logo that you want to be able to attach as a stamp or as a pin or on a blog post or an email. Does your design include text? Most likely, yes. Again, in the brief, think about, I would even recommend, even if you're not using a platform like this, write this out. Create a small outline for how you're going to design. It'll get you thinking, and it might even get you some new ideas for how you market yourself. So again, we are a company that sells travel related to cruises and tropical vacations with an emphasis on luxury. Now, if that's the case, that's going to impact the logo that you might look like. If you are selling luxury, then you want your logo to convey that in some way. And again, I also have the opportunity to attach some collateral here. It can be some, inspiration or things that I've seen out in the wild that I want my logo to look like. So again, I wanted to show this page, not just if you are using this, it's a good demo, but just to get you thinking, this is a good exercise to think about how you want to use your branding and your logo to convey the type of business that you are. And this is important, especially if you're starting out. This is going to be one of the ways that people are judging you and finding you when they come across your logo. If you don't have a good logo that doesn't signal what you're selling, then they're going to get confused before you even are able to get in front of them. So that is Logo 101, Designing 101, and why it's important to have a personalized logo that makes sense for you and for your travel business. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Did you get all that? Thank you for coming to another content crash course. I hope this was helpful. Please reach out to me at egreenberg@worldvia.com if you have any questions. I know that there is a lot to think about when it comes to marketing and content, and they can feel overwhelming. But trust me, these are things that you need to be doing. These are things that maybe people who sell the same type of travel as you are not doing, or they're not doing as well. take the time, make the investment to learn how to do these things, how you want to reflect the way that you do them, and how to fit it to your brand voice. It's going to pay off in the long run, I promise.